Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gianna, and if you're new here, my name is still Gianna. So today we're going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch, which I have right here. So if you want to see how that went, go check out the rest of the video. This is the Nintendo Switch, which was released worldwide in 2017. The Nintendo Switch costs around $299. I've actually owned a lot of Nintendo products, so I know what I'm talking about. Now at launch, there are two different colors to pick from. I have the neon one with multicolored joysticks, and there also is a classic gray one. So let's start unboxing it. Getting into the box, the first thing we'll see here when we pop open the lid is some instructions along the side. The instructions say they just want you to charge it and make sure it's ready to go. Lifting up the lid, the first thing we'll see here is the 6.2-inch tablet console screen. Right next to it are the Joy-Cons. The compact tablet is in a plastic bag, which slides right out. Same goes with the Joy-Cons. They're in a plastic bag and they slide right out as well. So once we get the top tray out, the bottom of the box has a lot of accessories, including an HDMI cable so you can connect to your TV right away. Of course, we have the power supply. It's not the fastest charger, so it takes a while to charge the entire system from zero. And right here, we have the Joy-Con grip. It makes it feel like you're holding an actual controller. All you have to do is slide the Joy-Cons into the Joy grip. There's also straps for the Joy-Cons. It's basically the same as the Joy-Con grip. All you have to do is slide in both of the Joy-Cons into the Joy-Con grip. Then you can put it on your wrist and they won't move. The last thing in the box is the dock, which connects the tablet to the TV. I could truly spend countless amount of hours playing on this system. You can even play with your friends if you purchase the online account. Plus, you can even buy games from the console by going to the Nintendo eStore, so you don't even need to leave your house. I think the Nintendo Switch is a really great product, and it's a bargain for everything you get inside the box. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys soon.